Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to download Metamask on Brave browser. So stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. When you're on your Brave browser as we have it here, you're going to go over to the top right corner where we have the three dashes or the hamburger menu. We're going to click on it and then we're going to scroll down to where we have extensions right here. Now we have some extensions here, or we can go over to Web Store. Clicking on Web Store, it will open a new tab where you can search for extensions and themes. We're going to search for Metamask, and the first option is what we want to go with. We're going to click on it. And then right here, you have Add to Brave. We're going to click on Add to Brave, then select Add Extension once again. Great! After a few moments, you can see that Metamask has been added to the browser. It is also indicated with this button where it says remove from Brave, which means that Metamask is currently on Brave. We're going to go to the top where we have the extensions icon here, click on it, and you can see Metamask right here. You can go to manage extensions to see more details or remove it if you want, or also you could turn it off if you don't want to use it. So these are the steps to follow if you would like to download Metamask on your Brave browser.